Age is often used as a proxy for memory accuracy, resulting in younger children's memory statements being disregarded as inaccurate. However, age can be a misleading metric, as memory reports on people of any age can include accurate and inaccurate statements. Research has shown that children may perform more poorly than adults on an episodic memory task, but we were interested in if children show good metacognitive ability and are aware of when their memories are accurate and inaccurate. Research suggests that explicit confidence judgments made by children from around the ages of 8 to 10 and upwards may be informative of memory accuracy. However, there is evidence that children under the age of 10 might be able to indicate their uncertainty and certainty in other ways. Our study explored explicit and implicit metacognitive measures and tested to what extent these can predict memory accuracy in children of different ages after they had encoded an event. As an explicit metacognitive measure, we collected confidence. For implicit metacognitive measures, we found 9 body and vocal measures that are thought to be indicative of uncertainty and certainty in previous literature. We categorized these into uncertainty and certainty measures. Uncertainty measures included head tilt, head shake, thinking gesture, shrug, looking to caregiver, hedges, and fillers, while certainty gestures included head nod and boosters. Previous research has also indicated that response time and box sorting might also be indicative of certainty and uncertainty. 49 children between the ages of 4 and 8 were recruited for the study. Children watched 2 videos of 2 events and then completed a 2 alternate forced choice task, where they had to decide which of the 2 presented items they had seen in the video. We asked 20 questions for each event, with a total of 40 questions. Figure 1 shows an example of the task. After each memory report, children were asked to rate their confidence on a 5-point Likert cup scale obtained from Brewer 2017, and then to perform a box sorting task based on the task from Getty 2014. Children were asked to sort their answers into an open eye box or a closed eye box, and told that only the answers in the open eye box would be checked to determine their final prize. It was hypothesized that the ability to assign confidence that reflects memory accuracy will improve with age, with older children being able to use the scale better than younger children. Response time will be informative of memory accuracy. Box sorting would be predictive of memory accuracy, and implicit metacognitive measures would be predictive of memory accuracy. For the analysis, we created 2 age groups, ages 4 to 6 and ages 7 to 8. For this analysis, confidence ratings were collapsed over 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Midpoint reaction times were coded as between 5 and 9 seconds, with fast and slow reaction times falling in either side of these times respectively. Proportion correct was calculated for each age group at each level of confidence, reaction time, and box sorting decision. Figure 2 shows for both age groups confidence increase of accuracy. The ages 7 to 8 achieved higher accuracy at the highest level of confidence. Figure 3 shows that for children aged 7 to 8, response time generally decreased of accuracy, but response time was less informative of accuracy for 4 to 6-year-olds. Figure 4 shows that box sorting is also predictive of memory accuracy in older children. There was a high proportion of correct answers when children chose to share their answers rather than to hide. We Z-transformed the frequency of each measure. Figure 5 shows the mean amount of each measure for correct and incorrect answers, collapsed over old children and trials. When children were incorrect, they made lower confidence judgments, responded more slowly, and more frequently chose to hide their answers. Considering the coded implicit measures, children performed more head tilts, thinking gestures, hedged more, and used more fillers when their answers were incorrect. They also performed more boosters when their answers were accurate. However, not many children performed head shakes, shrugs, or looked to caregiver when accurate or inaccurate, so these measures could not be used to predict children's memory accuracy. These findings suggest that children between the ages of 4 and 8 appear to have good metacognitive ability on complex memory tasks when appropriate measures are used.